hello! Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening for all the other people who are watching at night. I just want to show you guys how we will make pad thai with tofu, but not the shrimp. You like pad thai, don't you? Don't give me that crap, because we're making it. So the first thing we're going to be doing is tofu, and we got to cook it in oil. But first we have to drain this out and let the water come out. So what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to be cooking the tofu. It's going to take a while until it's fully, it has to be brown a little bit, not too much. And we got to wait for the water to boil so we can boil the noodles. And what's going to happen when we boil the noodles, after it's done being boiled and softened, you got to put it over, you got to drain it out and put it over cold water right away so the noodles don't lose its thickness. And then drain the cold water right away after it's done. And that's about it for now. Remember, if you ever get thirsty while you're cooking, always remember to drink just water. While still waiting for the water to boil, we're just going to cut some green onion. So since the water is boiling right now, we're going to be cutting up the noodles and putting it right in. Ooh. We're only going to do 2. And while we're waiting for the noodles to boil, we're going to grab 2 eggs because we use 2 noodles. If it was just one of the pack, we would use 1, but we're going to use 2. Let's crack your egg. And then we're going to beat it. So as we're boiling noodles, you got to boil it at least 4 to 5 minutes for it to be soft enough. Unless it does break up like in 3 minutes, you can take it out, but 4 to 5 minutes is usually how it should take for you to finish boiling. So after the noodles is done boiling, the next step is that you gotta drain this out, the strainer, drain out the hot water, immediately put it in the cold water, and then once a little while, drain out the cold water right away, because you don't want to leave it super cold. And the next step would be, we're gonna have to throw this egg in there. Well, we gotta put the oil in, of course. Throw the egg in there, let it cook for like maybe 10 or 20 seconds until it's fully scrambled. And after that, we add the tofu. After the tofu, we add the noodles. And then after that, we're gonna add the pad thai and dry roasted peanuts. I chose unsalted because the pad thai is gonna be already salty. So I recommend unsalted, don't get salted. Oh, and one more thing, the bean sprouts. So we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Guys, I think I made a little bit too much. So, as you can see, the food is a little overload. And there you have it. Pad Thai with tofu. It's got peanuts, egg, and bean sprouts. And basically, I made too much, unfortunately. Everybody's gonna have to eat it in the house. Delicious.